Very good morning of standard 5th. Today we will go with the topic of lesson number 7 from your EVS part 1, that is geography and civics. So please take out your notebook and keep it ready so that we can start with a question answer of the same lesson. Now this is a question answers of lesson number 7. Okay, this is a question answers of lesson number 7. Answer in one sentence. You have to write all these question answers in one of the notebook. See, first question: what is meant by the issues in civics life? And the answer is, the issue in civic life means the problem faced by the people in the cities and the villages. Now next question: how can the problem in civics life be solved? The answer is, the issue in a civics life can be solved by efforts and cooperation of everyone. Third question: name the great personalities that stretch the importance of cleanliness. And the answer is, Sant Gadge Baba and Rashtrasant Tukoji Maharaj stress the importance of cleanliness. You have to write in full sentence. Next one: when is a dispute taken to an appropriate body or a court? So the answer is, a dispute is taken to an appropriate body or a court when it is not resolved amicably. Okay, amicably. Next question: what is the aim of the Mahatma Gandhi Dispute Free Village Mission? And the answer is, the villagers should solve their dispute through peaceful discussion in the aims of the Mahatma Gandhi Dispute Free Village Mission. Next question: what was the message of Sant Gadge Baba? Answer is, Sant Gadge Baba told the people that we cannot make progress without cleanliness, education and self-reliance. Understood? Now here is a give reason. You have to write down the give reason from the following statement. What is first question? 12th September is celebrated every year as International Peace Day. Why? You have to write it down. First point, you have to write in point wise so that आपको पढ़ने में easy हो. There is a need to spread the message of peace all over the world. Second point, the national should strive from the development of their people rather than get involved into conflict. Therefore, 12th September is celebrated every year as an International Peace Day. Understood, students? Now next question: what should not turn a blind eyes toward problem in civics life? And the first point is, the problem in civics life causes inconvenience to us. These problems throw our life in disorder. Third point, this situation may worsen further if we turn a blind eyes toward them. Therefore, we should not turn a blind eyes toward issue problem in civics life. Now third one, Hiware Bazaar today was lush green surrounding, First point, the problems of storage of water in Hiware Bazar was solved with the help of participations of people. Second point, the people of animal feed too was solved by the villagers. Therefore, Hiware Bazar today was lush green surrounding. Got it? So, these are the give reason you have to write down in your book. Now student, this is your assignment sheet. You have to search the answer from your textbook and you have to write down in a foolscap paper. Okay, this is an assignment sheet. These all answer you have to note down in your foolscap paper. I will not provide the answer. You all have to search it and write it. So first question, name one civics problem in your locality. Second one, which was the major problem faced by the people of Hiware Bazar. Third one, who showed the village how to clean the village through this own action. Fourth one, name the book written by Rashtrasant Tukoji Maharaj. Fifth one, at what time is a bell rang at the UN headquarters on 12 September? Sixth one, how many countries contributed to making of a bell of a UN headquarters? Understood? These are the questions. You have to write the answer from your textbook. You have to search the answer from the textbook and you have to write in one foolscap paper. Okay, as a assignment sheet. Got it, students? So you have to complete this work and again I will come with the next lesson, next assignment. Before that, you have to complete all the work given to you. Till then, thank you. And one more thing need to tell you, dear students. See, we have already given you lots of notes and now we have started with the assignment. So the students who don't have Xeon apps in their mobile phone, please download Xeon apps from Play Store and take ID and password from sir. Okay, from our sir through WhatsApp number, and in the screen you can look that I have provided you the WhatsApp number of Santosh sir. So please download Xeon apps and carry out the formalities to start the apps. Again and again I am telling you the same thing so that you can get every possibility to complete your notes and chapter for the academic year. So please do that. Contact him in a given WhatsApp number with your name and standard. Okay, students? Till then, goodbye.